This is a one bedroom on 83rd Street between 1st and 2nd, closer to 2nd Avenue, nearby the Q train. This is the hallway. This is the bedroom. Right now it's overcast and it's late afternoon. That's at a queen size bed this way. That's the closet. The heat and hot water is included. Brand new floors. Granite countertop, dishwasher, beautiful sink. Nice backsplash, microwave. Full-size appliances. And this is the living room. This is facing north, but it's open view. You get a lot of lights. Living slipper. Nearby restaurant, shop. Laundry nearby. Actually, this apartment has a washer and dryer. So washer and dryer and dishwasher and microwave. And this overhead here. And this is another closet here. For the overhead. Exposed brick wall. And it has recessed light. And this is a beautiful bathroom. Granite countertop, has a window. Nice shower head. Beautiful floors. And has a fan as well. It's like condo finish apartment. Beautiful. It's the 4th floor, 3 flights up the stairs. This is east. And this is north. Yeah, north. Sorry, south. And again, this is north. Facing the back of the building is very, very quiet. Very high ceiling.